Hey friends! So here's how you apply your press-ons. You're going to start by filing the edges of your nails. You can also push back your cuticles with the edge of the file. Alright, then you take your buffer and you're just going to buff off any debris or oil, and you're going to just make your nails like etched up. See? Just like that. You're going to take your alcohol swab. You're going to swipe, swipe, swipe to get off all that dust and all that oil. It makes a nice, gritty, dry surface. So then you take your nails, and you're basically just going to find the ones that fit. Save the rest. Voila. Take your nail glue. You got to cut the top off. Pew! And then just depending on how long you want to wear them, that's how much glue you want to put on. So 1 drop for a day. Saturate that bitch if you want to wear them for 1 to 2 weeks. So what I like to do is I put them on and then I press them and hold them there for about 30 seconds. Obviously, this is sped up. So press, 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 hold, 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 blah, blah, blah. Oh, thanks, babe. That's the oil. That'll come in later. I'm really good at doing tutorials, I think. There's my nail oil. Shine, shine, shine. Give them a swipe, and then you do the model thing. Thanks for watching.